You are the only person to your entire family to responsible to today family condition and the possibility to become to provide to our family. ठीक है. Here is a story about myself for two perspective. First is to my financial and second is to my एजुकेशन. तो हमारा जो पहला टॉपिक है, फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज हाउ कुड इम्प्रूव और हाउ कुड लर्न टू इंग्लिश. ठीक है. मेरे स्टार्टिंग के समय में मुझे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग मिले और इवन आज भी मिलते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि यहाँ V1 लगेगा, यहाँ V2 लगेगा, यहाँ V3 लगेगा. चलो ठीक है, मैं आपकी बात से पूरी तरह सहमत हूँ, पर मुझे अगर कोई ऐसा आदमी बोले जिसको स्वयं आता होगा तो मैं मानता हूँ. लेकिन मैंने अभी तक जितने भी ऐसे लोगों को देखा है जिनको खुद आता है, दे वुड प्रमोट टू मेक मिस्टेक्स, क्योंकि उनने खुद गलतियां करके सीखी. और मैं जब भी एक घटिया मानसिकता और एक अनसक्सेसफुल और एक मतलब ऐसे व्यक्ति से मिलता हूँ जो गरीबी की दलदल में है, वो हमेशा जो मिस्टेक करता है उसको क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं और वो उसी मानसिकता का फल है कि आज वो वैसे हैं. और जैसे एक जो अमीर और एक वेल्दी आदमी रहता है वो आपको कभी ये नहीं बोलता कि आप वेल्थ क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते, या एक सिंगर जो रहता है वो आप कभी ये नहीं बोलता कि एक आप सिंगिंग से अच्छे पैसे कमा सकते हैं, या एक खुद एक इंग्लिश अच्छा बोलने वाला आपको कभी जज नहीं करता कि यू आर रॉन्ग यू आर राइट. यानी वो देखता है, सुनता है, वो जानता है कि आप कुछ समय आप गलतियां करोगे. तो when I was start to journey to my English, here is a story about to my own college. Starting a second year I would decide to myself to improve to my English journey, and I would go to him and find out what is the best way to online. So I would figure out such rules to me. First thing is listening. Maybe they would try to listening more and more content to English. Maybe in a beginning time they would use to caption for English, because starting time the lot of guys speak very fluent and very fast. You couldn't catch or you couldn't think about English. So first thing is listening. Maybe they have need to at least 45 minutes to listen every day. Even you are go to travel, even you are not fit to listen. Maybe the second thing is they would reading at least 2 pages in a daily basis. They would be beneficial to you. And I would in between to my journey from 1.5 to 2 years, I would reading for lot of books like 0 to 1, The Intelligent Investor, How to Influence People by Benjamin Graham. Maybe which are 3 books, they would be incredibly beneficial to me, because especially for How to Influence People by Benjamin Graham, which are such criteria of phenomena to become more magnetic and more attractive voice. Maybe to meet to anyone, first of all they would try to 70% listen and 30% to talk about own person interest. Maybe they would try to call her name, genuine advice about own self, और from anyone, उसको सिर्फ अपने बारे में बात करना पसंद. जो तीसरी चीज है हमारी वो है राइटिंग. जो आप राइटिंग करते हैं इनसाइड इन टू डिपेंड अपॉन टू कंजप्शन अ वीडियो और बुक. maybe sometime you could not good to tense, could not get good to create a such sentences, but over a period of time it would be beneficial to you, and they would change to see the change between month and between a day first. It would be incredible change to see. And fourth thing is, think about an English. When just say assume before you wake up, before you sleep at 10 a.m. think about an English. I wake up at 4 a.m. Then I would consume video from Alina, from Abhay. Then I would read some books, maybe those incidents, it's to streamline to that. Or उसके बाद I am go ready to go with my college, pray with my soul, Hanuman, like Durga, anyone, Krishna. Then eat a food. ठीक है, then I would travel with my brother. Travel time would be 9:30 to 10:30. Done with such activities like to fill a tank in front of Kalipatli Chowk. ठीक है. Then I would go to college, attend with those lecture. Then again go to canteen, spend with such times. ठीक है. Then again go to lecture with my college. Then back home, and again I would pray with my soul. Then thankful to God, eat a lunch, sleep at 10 a.m. Then continuously your mind would be fitted and think English. And which are few things, they would be incredibly beneficial to you. And second thing is to my finances. Here is a story about to myself. From starting to my college first year, I would earn a lot of money to my own and to my entire family. On that time I would only option to see to buy real estate work, because on that time the abouts to my surroundings, the lot of guys related to real estate work and lot of money to me and to my entire family. So on that time I would visit in more than 100 clients to site, but never ever close the deal, and never ever but I would continuously do in 150 times when I was create a first deal, and then again and again I would create such deals, and create for 1.5 years to create approximately 1.5 crores sales, and commission would be around 6 lakh rupees to my own. And those two incidents to boost my personality and to boost my confident level and to my mindset. And you are the only guy to responsible to your entire. Thank you.